Oh yeah, I usually don't do well with compliments. So Egon, thank you so much. I had a coach for 20 years that told me how shitty I was every day. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd be giving a commencement speech. But Professor O'Leary, thank you so much. I appreciate the kind words. Egon, for your vision and generosity in the creation of the Durbin Sports Business Program. It is a privilege to be here with you all today in the nation's capital at Georgetown's McDonough. Relationships and memories are built on shared experience, so I'm grateful to be able to share this experience with you and with the faculty and the staff who educated you, and with the family and friends in the audience who proudly supported you getting to this moment, even the ones who are Jets fans. You know who you are. Sitting here looking out at this amazing crowd of business majors getting ready to start your careers, I realized something. Sports was a very strange way to make a living. People screamed at me all the time. They gambled on my performance, and they celebrated all my failures. One way that sports is a lot like business, though, is that when you do it long enough, your life gets defined by numbers. 23, that was the number of pro seasons I played. 7, those were the Super Bowl wins. 3, those were the Super Bowl losses. Damn it, Eli Manning. Yeah. I heard that back there. But here's a number for you guys. 99.7. What's that number make you think of? It's an A+. I didn't get many of those. It's a low-grade fever, maybe. But it's also virtual certainty.